Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo cheese sauce for seafood. First, let's gather our key ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget 2 cloves of fresh garlic, a small pinch of nutmeg, and, of course, salt and black pepper to taste. Having everything prepped makes the cooking much more enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, add your 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 1 minute, just until it becomes fragrant, being careful not to let it brown. Next, slowly whisk in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, but do not let it boil. With the cream gently simmering, it's time to add the star of the show, the cheese. Gradually add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until it's completely melted and the sauce is smooth. This step is crucial for a creamy texture. Next, season your sauce with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, stir in a small pinch of nutmeg. It really enhances the overall flavor profile of your delicious Alfredo sauce. Your rich and creamy Alfredo cheese sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over your favorite seafood, whether it's shrimp, scallops, or a flaky white fish. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of additional grated Parmesan cheese. This sauce is best enjoyed fresh, so gather your loved ones and dig in. And for a little extra something, remember to check the description for the Eau à la Water bottle link and other great deals to enhance your everyday life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.